This 2023 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Northeast Pennsylvania 16428 and is offered for sale by Ray Wakley's RV Center. This new Forest River is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, smoke detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, external shower, stove top burner, LP detector, water heater, oven, and 54 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, Murphy bed, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2509S is 5,499 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ray Wakley's RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.